It's that time of year again, everyone looking to get on the slopes, so I want to review this high experience ski and snowboard jacket, and this one here is the pullover version. What I like about the anorak jacket is you can go ahead and get this on or off very quickly. Breathability is 25,000, water resistant is 30,000. I really love this jacket because these arms are super comfortable. This elastic is gonna help so that the snow does not get into my arm. There's a pocket here that is going to be great, that if you have a ski pass, you can go ahead and quickly get that in there or take it out if needed. And the zipper is waterproof. Now I also like on the hands here, you can go ahead and basically customize where you want that to be perfectly. I am 5'5", I'm 125 pounds, and I am currently wearing a size medium in this jacket. Now I usually wear a size small, but I wanted this to look baggier and have the ability to put a sweatshirt inside as well. Now I'll show you on this jacket, there's a nice hood, and you'll see here there's a visor on the hood, so if you are wearing a helmet, it will help protect any snow that's coming down on your head and protect the goggles as well. Now there is a pocket on the inside of this jacket, but there's also two pockets here on the side that are very deep, so if you have your phone or your GoPro, it'll fit perfectly in this jacket. And the pockets themselves are not connected, but they are very deep. Now this jacket has some really cool technology. The Reco here is going to be great and gives you a peace of mind for anybody that is on the slopes. Now this technology, if you don't know it already, is going to indicate to a professional if you are lost or need help on the mountain. The Reco technology is amazing and it gives me that extra peace of mind. This jacket also comes with a nice pull tie on the side, so you can go ahead and really get that awesome and tight on your body. High Experience really prides themselves on having quality products. Now the outside layer here is going to be tear resistant. The middle layer is insulating and windproof. And the inner layer is very skin friendly and breathable. And I personally love that because it's going to keep me nice and warm and cozy in the cold, snowy weather. If you're looking for a jacket for the season, I definitely would check out High Experience. There's a bunch of different colors and you won't be disappointed.